Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show two different ways that you can follow to lock any apps on your iPhone. So, let's see what to do. The first way is to use the Shortcuts app. For this, you need to download the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download and install it from the App Store. Now, launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then, tap the automation section at the bottom side. Tap on the plus icon or the new automation button. Now, scroll down and tap on the app. From here, tap the choose option and select the apps you want to add lock. Then, tap on the done button. Select the run immediately option. And make sure the toggle beside notify when run is off. Then, tap on next. After that, type the lock screen action in the search box and select lock screen. Now, whenever you launch the app, it will lock immediately. If you want to see the app's content, you have to unlock the app with a lock screen password or Face ID. If you want to remove the lock, launch the Shortcuts app, slide automation to the left, and tap the delete option. That's it. Now, moving to the second way, screen time. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Ensure that the screen time is enabled. If not, tap App and Website Activity under the Limit Usage section. Your device will ask you to enter the screen time passcode. Please enter it. Now, on the App and Website Activity page, tap on the Turn on Apps and Website Activity button. Then, select App Limits and tap on Add Limit. Now, please choose the most used apps by tapping on their categories. For example, I will tap on the Creativity category and select Photos. Then, tap on Next. Now, set the time for app limits. Here, I will select 1 minute. Ensure the toggle beside block at the end of the limit is on. Then, tap on the Add button in the upper right corner. Now, launch the app on which you set the screen time limit. And wait. Once your app reaches the screen time limit, your device will show a message that you've reached your limit on photos. You can ask for more time or tap on the OK button. When you again ask for more time, you need to enter the screen time passcode. So tap on it and enter the screen time passcode. From here, you can unlock the time limit for 15 minutes, an hour, or the rest of the day, and if you don't want to approve more time, tap on Cancel. If you want to turn off screen time, launch the Settings app and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Turn Off App and Website Activity. Again, enter the screen time passcode and then tap on Turn Off App and Website Activity. You can see here the screen time lock is turned off now. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.